Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender for shakes and smoothies is a versatile kitchen appliance that simplifies the blending process, making it suitable for both novice and experienced users. With a capacity of 40 fluid ounces, this blender is ideal for creating large batches of shakes, smoothies, and even soups. One of the standout features of this blender is its innovative wave action system, which ensures ingredients are continuously pulled down into the blades for a smooth consistency. This is particularly beneficial when working with denser ingredients, such as frozen fruits or leafy greens, as it minimizes the need for manual intervention. The 12-speed settings provide ample flexibility for various blending tasks, allowing users to tailor the texture of their beverages to their liking. The touch control panel is intuitive and easy to use, making it effortlessly simple to switch between settings. Additionally, the stainless steel blades are robust and durable, designed to handle everything from crushing ice to pureeing vegetables. Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler. Your dream tumbler. Whichever way your day flows, the H2O Flow State Tumbler keeps you refreshed with fewer refills. Double wall vacuum insulation means drinks stay cold, iced, or hot for hours. Choose between our 14-aughts, 20-aughts, 30-aughts, 40-aughts, and 64-aughts options depending on your hydration needs. The narrow base on all sizes except 64-aughts fits just about any car cup holder, keeping it right by your side. Advanced lid construction. Whether you prefer small sips or maximum thirst quenching, Stanley has developed an advanced flow state lid featuring a rotating cover with 3 positions, a straw opening designed to resist splashes with a seal that holds the reusable straw in place, a drink opening, and a full cover top for added leak resistance. We've also included an ergonomic comfort grip handle so you can easily carry your ice-cold water to work, meetings, the gym, or trips out of town. Earth-friendly durability. Constructed of 90% recycled BPA-free stainless steel for sustainable sipping, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 has the durability to stand up to a lifetime of use. Eliminate the use of single-use plastic bottles and straws with a travel tumbler built with sustainability in mind. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2-3 seconds response time. Instructions, meat temperature chart, comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From BBQ thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, barbecue, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy Read digital thermometer for cooking, large instant thermometer dial with bright blue backlight means you can always read the temperature, whether you are grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. Perfect must-have grilling accessory for kitchen essentials. Water resistant. Perfect digital cooking thermometer for meat. Our digital meat thermometer for food of any kind is water resistant, IP66 rated, and can be washed and cleaned under running water. Valentine's Day gifts for him or her. Our meat thermometers for cooking and grilling are delivered in an elegant, foam-lined box, making it the ideal gift for husband or wife. Makes for the perfect food thermometer for cooking. The meat thermometer comes with an additional CR2032 battery in child-safe packaging. Eggcentials Poached Egg Maker. The Eggcentials Poached Egg Maker stands out as a highly functional and user-friendly kitchen tool designed for egg enthusiasts and casual cooks alike. With a polished finish and a compact size of 8.5 by 8.5 by 2.5 inches, this egg poacher fits easily into most kitchen setups while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Weighing in at just 3 pounds, it offers a solid feel without being cumbersome. One of the key features of this poached egg maker is its capacity to cook up to 4 perfect poached eggs simultaneously. This is ideal for families or anyone who enjoys hosting brunches, allowing for efficient meal preparation without compromising on quality. The tempered glass lid not only retains heat effectively, but also provides a clear view of the cooking process, enabling users to monitor the eggs without lifting the lid and losing precious steam. In terms of maintenance, the Essentials model is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This is a significant advantage for busy individuals who appreciate convenience in their kitchen gadgets. Its oven-safe capability adds versatility, allowing users to explore various cooking techniques and recipes beyond just poaching eggs. Crepe Maker and Dosa Maker. Versatility. Non-stick coated plate surface lets you quickly and easily make crepes, soft tortillas, tacos, blintzes, egg rolls, chapati, and more breakfast favorites. Heat up quickly in 20 seconds. Forget from your old crepe pan. Cord length 27.5 inch. Perfectly combo. Our electric crepes maker with an automatic temperature controller prevents burning. High-powered heating element 120 volt, 60 Hz, 800 watts, operated by a one-press on-off switch to indicate when the surface is hot enough to begin cooking. The long handle design for easy holding operating saves space and makes you feel safe and love using it. Highly convenient. Our crepe machine is a compact, quick, and convenient cooktop. This nonstick crepe maker has a large cooking die-cast aluminum area of 8 inch, making it easy to create restaurant-style crepes. Preheat the crepe maker, spread a thin layer of batter, and watch your crepe cook in seconds. Easy to clean, this round electric single